Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, inshallah, I will be showing you how to add products to your store using your mobile phone. Just keep a closer look on the screen as you will be able to see the points that will be tapped on the screen. I'll be using Mozilla Firefox for these. This is our website. You can access the vendor login link in two places when you're using your mobile phone. The first link, you can find it here, the vendor login, or you can as well tap from this three menu here, and then you can also access the vendor login from here. We'll allow the page to load and take us to the login page. Alright, you want to enter your username and your password as you registered with. You can either type in just the username if you know the username, or you type in the email address which you registered with. In my case, I'll be using just my username. You can always choose remember me so you don't have to keep typing in your password and your username all the time. Tap on sign in, choose remember. Alright, you're now logged into your dashboard. If you're accessing your store from the computer, it's quite different from what you'll be seeing on the mobile phone because of the size of the screen. Using this application on the mobile phone, you can see the icons arranged at the bottom of your mobile phone. Now these icons will usually be at the left pane when you're using your computer. To add products, simply tap on the second icon that looks like a cube, the three cubes, which is that. The three cubes signifies products. It's taking us to the product page where we have all our products that has been already uploaded, and where you can have the opportunity or the access to upload new products. It's going to take time to process in a few seconds. After processing, if you have products already loaded in the store, you will see all of them loaded here. In my store, I have just 2 products for the purpose of this video. I'll be adding a new product. To add a new product, you simply tap on this cube. You can see the 4 icons, the 4 boxes, one pointing down, an arrow pointing down, and the other one an arrow pointing up. And the other one is just like a drum, and the other one is a cube. The cube is always a symbol of products. To add products, tap on the cube. For the purpose of this video, we'll only be adding simple products, and later on we will learn how to add variable products. Simple products are just single products that do not have variation of colors or sizes, just a single product. For example, cloth, a particular cloth, or something that doesn't have other variations of colors if you want to sell. So for this video, we'll just be making simple products. We'll start with the product name. I would call this headscarf or turban. The product name is turban, and the product price 8,500. And the next thing is the short description. Please always note that there are differences between short descriptions and description. The differences are, the short description is just at a glance, what should the customer know about this product at a glance? The size, the color, the width, and things like that. Now, the description, this is where you type the full details of the product. It is not wise to always type full details in the place of short description. For short description, I will just enter the basic characteristics of my product. Size, color. Material. Alright, this three will go for now, just for this video purpose, and I do not wish to add okay, let's go ahead and add some description. Alright, all dressing styles. I think that should be enough for now. And the next thing is, after we've entered the short and long description of our product, alright, the short description of our product and the long description has been entered. The next thing is we want to tap on this. I'll take that again. We tap on this bigger box here for the image, and you have to select your image from the phone, from the files. Always choose allow the browser to access your files. You should go to where you have gallery. In this case, if you have this kind of a situation where gallery is not displayed right here, choose documents. From documents, tap on the menus here and then go to gallery. From the gallery, you want to go down to where you have your pictures for use. This, I want to use my blue turban. After the picture has been loaded and ticked, tap and choose image. And that image has been entered, and then I want to select the category, which is very important to scroll down to women clothing tag. Now type the tags that will be used for search in the shop: turban, headscarf, head tie, and the rest of them. We'll go with this for now, and always leave the catalog visibility as is. The next thing you want to do is the SKU. It is always a good thing to add an SKU, but it is not necessary or mandatory. But for the purpose of tracking your products when an order is placed, you have to put an SKU. An SKU is simply a code, a customized code for identifying a particular product, in this case the turban. I'm trying to use something that I can remember to be referenced on the product I just added. Alright, my code simply means top for turban, BLU for blue, and 001 for that one color. So if I should have another turban that is also blue, I can say 002, and so on and so forth. Manage stocks, yes, in stock. Now the next thing is shipping, which is very important. Tap on the shipping section and it's going to open the collapse. If you know the weight of the product, then you can enter it here. But if you do not know the weight of the product, you can leave it blank. It's less than 1 kg, so we'll give it 1.5 kg or maximum 0.8 kg maximum, because that head tie is not up to 1 kg. Leave the length and width and height blank in this case. Now, very importantly, the shipping class is where we need to concentrate on, because the costing and the price calculation for shipping is dependent upon what you choose here. So it is very necessary you don't leave this out. By default, the system has been programmed for the prices of all these ones. So we know that the turban is less than 1 kg, so we'll go for the light items. The light items are from 0.5 kg to 2 kg. The heavy items, the first heavy item will be 2.5 kg to 4 kg, and the second heavy items is 4.5 kg to 6 kg, and bulky items will be over 6 kg. So you know the kind of products you are attaching to your store, you know the weight, or if you do not know the exact weight, you should know the approximate weight, and then you choose which of these your product falls in. In my case, my product falls into light items, 0.5 kg to 2 kg, so you select that one, and that's the only thing we need to do here. Every other thing remains as is, and then we click on, we tap on submit for review. Wait for the notification that says product successfully submitted for moderation. The admin will get the information or the notification of your product after the review. If your product pictures and everything is in compliance, then it will be approved. But in the meantime, you can always view your product, how it looks like when other customers sees it. To do that, tap on this little eye in red near the pending status. Alright, there's our product, though it's pending approval from the admin. You can see the short description that says adjustable size, color blue, material cotton. Now we don't have to start putting the major description in place of the short descriptions we can see here. So this is basically how simple products is being added to your store. If you have any question, you can always send an email to support@halalmart.com.